Hello folks, welcome back to another review. Today we're going to be reviewing the Humbrol Airbrush. This is a basic Humbrol airbrush set. I bought mine for about 15 euros. It's marketed rather as a basic airbrush set, and it is extremely basic. You have, well, first of all, you have the pot here where you will store your paint. It can be acrylic or enamel. In my case, I used enamel. Humbrol enamel rather, but you can use Revel or any other kind. It does need to be thinned down a lot more than you would if you were brush painting. Now I am primarily a brush painter, but I thinned mine down. I think it was four part thinners to 1 part paint, something like that. Basically really thin. Now obviously, if depending on what medium you want to choose, you're obviously going to have to choose whether you're thinning it down with specialist acrylic thinners, water, or white spirits. In my case, if I used enamel, it'd be white spirits. I have to say that for a very basic airbrush, it's quite comfortable to hold in the hand. Sorry, the rope's in the way. I am left-handed, so I'd be holding it like this. It's a very simple device. You just press the button, and air comes out here, and it interacts with the paint through this nozzle. Now, there's two different settings you can have it on. You can twist this nozzle, and it will widen the range of how far the paint will actually be sprayed. Now, of course, this is an airbrush, so you need an air propellant, and that's where the Humbrol air propellant comes in. Now, you can buy, I think you can buy canned air, but where I live, canned air is quite hard to come by, so I just went with the branded Humbrol air propellant that I got in an art hobby shop. It's nearly out now because I've actually used this on a project already. One thing I will note about this airbrush is that it's marketed, like I said, it's marketed as a one-time use, and it really is. After the first sort of use, what happens is the paint actually hardens up in the nozzle itself. Now, it can be taken out. I just got basically a pin loaded with thinners and just kept rubbing it up and down until eventually it cleared out. But that is something to note, that it is really supposed to be a one-time use. And maintenance on this, because it's so basic, you can't really take it apart. You can take this piece off, but not the actual airbrush itself. Although you're not going to really be cleaning this part because that's where the air comes out. But it really is a one-time use item. But in saying that, it's very easy to use, and it's great for beginners if you want to get into airbrushing. This is a good place to start. I think Revel has one like that as well, but I have not tried the Revel one. Now, as someone who is primarily a brush painter, I have not really tried airbrushing before, at least not a professional airbrush. I was very reluctant to try it. I put this off for a long time. I tried it on my HMS Dreadnought kit by Trumpeter, which I'll do a review of that soon. And it turned out perfect. Best incredible finish, and it really is. It will be something that I'll definitely look into using in the future. Now, I would recommend using the branded Humbrol paint, but you can use really any paint that you want, just as long as it's thinned down properly. The canned air, sometimes, if there's not much left in it, you really have to keep shaking it. Otherwise, there's not enough pressure to actually get paint out, so that is something else to note. All in all, it's a great basic airbrush kit, but obviously if you're an advanced modeler, you're going to want something better. I don't know if you can actually hook this up to a compressor or not. I'm not sure. I know this can actually be disconnected because this is what you would put on top of the airbrush propellant. You would connect it on top, and that opens the valve. You push this valve, and then the air is siphoned through. But yeah, as a basic airbrush set, I think it's very good. And the Humbrol enamels, I personally prefer Humbrol enamels over Revel, just because I find they're a lot better quality. Um, and they dry kind of quicker as well, so that's always a benefit. I think that will conclude my short review of the Humbrol Basic Airbrush Set. Hopefully you folks did enjoy, and I'll see you in the next review. Goodbye.